awesome power of water becomes the power of awesome water. There is one company that can harness this force of nature into a force for good, that can turn the oceans that separate us into the streams that connect us. They can make something so fierce into something so fun, that can bring water to life. Pentair, empowering people to move water, improve water, enjoy water, so that people can live their best, healthiest lives. Lives with purpose. Lives with enjoyment. Lives that flourish. Lives with hope. Because at Pentair, we're not just about better water. We're about better life. Pentair, bringing water to life, for life.